The solar industry is going absolutely crazy. From residential, commercial, and batteries. It's nuts out there. And you know what? Maybe you've been stuck at that desk job, or you've never done a desk job and you want to get out, you want to get your hands dirty, and you want to control your own destiny. That is awesome. That's what we're here to talk about today. The adventure of owning a solar franchise, how you can get in it, why to get in it. Let's get to it. I'm Francois. I am founder and CEO of Hybrid Power Solutions. And last year in Canada, we saw 174% growth in residential solar installs. Absolutely crazy numbers, 30 to 40% for our brothers down in the United States. So really, the industry is going berserk. There is over 43,000 households in Canada who have already solar systems, but there are 14 million others who don't. It's a massive potential, and today we're going to talk about how to get into solar franchises. So why would you consider a solar franchise? Look, it's all about controlling your own destiny. And at the end of the day, when you get into business with a franchise, you go into business for yourself, but not by yourself. And that's so important. As part of the Hybrid Power Solutions franchising installation team, really you're getting the full advantages you get with a franchise and all that support. But on top of that, you're working with a company that's vertically integrated. What that means is that we actually build what you're installing, which provides you with a huge advantage over the competition. So what's our secret sauce? What makes Hybrid Power Solutions different than everything out there? Well, for one thing, we are the one-stop shop, and being vertically integrated, we actually pass on those factory direct savings to you. So meaning that every installation is going to be more profitable than anybody else out there. Not only that, but since we work directly with our installers to develop and innovate new products, our products are up to 70% quicker to install, meaning you're getting out there and you're doing more jobs. Not only that, but we have really tight control over what products we do select, because we want to make sure that the quality is there and they're backed by really good warranties. Although we don't make all of the products we supply to our installers, for the parts that we don't, we actually negotiate really good and aggressive prices because we buy these things in bulk. So we've got that better pricing that we pass on directly to you. Not only that, but you're going to get industry-leading training. We've got a massive training program with ongoing support so that you're not left high and dry once you've completed those first 7 days of training. We're there to support you not only during the training process, but throughout the installation process, even if it's 3 years down the road. Here are a few more things that you're going to get out of the HPS franchise. You're going to first off have access to our HPS Hub, which is our software that allows you to invoice, quote, schedule your crews out, and all that kind of back-end support that you require. You're also going to have a full-time customer service representative who's going to be able to handle all those incoming leads and provide you with only the highest quality qualified leads when ready for a site inspection. We also have a technical support line that will help answer a lot of the basic questions you get so that you're not up on a roof trying to troubleshoot with a customer while you're doing an installation. We also offer flexible financing options so that you can actually match the level of payment to whatever budget the customer may have. We have both national and regional marketing strategies that you help us co-develop, but that we implement for you, so you're not spending additional money on marketing. We also have a very extensive engineering crew who works together with our installers to actually develop that next generation of product. All right, let's talk a little bit about the numbers. So almost all of our franchises within the first 3 months have already completed their first job. We actually have a graduating cohort that just finished off, and they've already got 5 jobs pending, so really impressive stuff. Now, on a small crew of 1 to 2 people, you should be expecting to do anywhere between 10 and 20 installs per year on a fairly relaxed time frame. If you want to grow those numbers, you just add additional crews and you can scale it to whatever your territory demands. So my question to you is, do you have what it takes? We're currently reviewing applications throughout North America, so go ahead and click the link below. That'll connect you right up to one of our franchise experts who can walk you through the entire process. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.